everyone! Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to implement a transparent header in your Shopify theme. This trend not only gives your site a modern and clean look, but also enhances your brand image. In today's digital landscape, transparent headers are all the rage. They're a popular design trend that offers a visually striking effect when customers visit your site. Unlike traditional headers with a solid color, a transparent header provides several key benefits. Now let's look at a comparison to illustrate the difference. First, the aesthetic appeal. Transparent headers give your site a clean and modern look, elevating the overall design. Second, they improve user experience. Transparent headers enable a smoother visual transition as users scroll, making navigation more intuitive. Then there's seamless integration. A transparent header blends seamlessly with your page content, creating a cohesive visual experience. Finally, prominent branding. With no distracting background, your brand elements become more prominent and impactful. So, how do we integrate a transparent header into your Shopify theme? Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Modify the header.liquid file. Access the header.liquid file within the Sections folder of your theme. Here, you'll need to insert the custom code to the bottom to achieve the transparent effect. I'll put the code in the comments area. Step 2. Save and review. After you've inserted the code, save your changes. It's important to review the header on different devices to ensure it displays correctly across all platforms. Now it's done! This small adjustment can make a significant impact on how customers interact with your site, ultimately benefiting your brand's image and sales. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a message in the comments section or drop us an email, and we'll respond as soon as possible. We're here to help and look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching!